Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this video we are going to start our new lesson, Attitude is Altitude. In the last video we discussed about three famous personalities who got success in their lives even though they were disabled. Their disability couldn't stop them to get success. And now we are going to start our new lesson, Attitude is Altitude. What do you mean by attitude? Attitude means your opinion about someone, your behavior with others. It is called your attitude. आपकी राय दूसरों के ताल्लुक़ से और आपका रवैया जो दूसरों से है, it is called your attitude. And what do you mean by altitude? Altitude means your height. Attitude is height. So the meaning of the lesson is your real height is your behavior. Your real height is your opinion about someone. Now let's start the lesson. Imagine means think. Just imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning. Just imagine if you have no hands, what would happen? Stretch. Here stretch means to extend. You can write the meaning in English. Extend. Look at this picture. It is called hand stretching. फैलाना जिसको बोलेंगे हम. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning, comma, to help you scratch that itch. Scratch means this is called scratching. That itch, comma, to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Wrap means to hug, गले मिलना. Scratch means rub, rubbing, खुजाना जिसको कहेंगे हम. Itch के माने हैं खुजली. So just imagine if you have no legs. Imagine you have no hands to stretch in the morning. Just imagine you have no hands to scratch your itch. And just imagine you have no hands to hug your loved ones. आपके पास हाथ नहीं है सुबह फैलाने के लिए और जो है खुजाने के लिए या फिर गले मिलने के लिए. Just imagine how difficult your life would become if you have no hands. What would happen? Next one. Imagine having no legs. Just think what would happen if you have no legs. क्या होता अगर आपके पास पैर नहीं होते. किस लिए? To kick pebbles. Pebbles means here small stones. Pebble means small stones. Small stones. Stones means you know पत्थर, छोटे पत्थर, small stones. Imagine having no legs to kick. किक करने के लिए किसको? Pebbles down the street, comma, to walk, comma, or run, to bicycle or skateboard or get you from point A to point B. Just imagine you have no legs to kick pebbles. Pebbles को, पत्थरों को किक करने के लिए आपके पास पैर नहीं है. You have no legs to walk. You have no legs to run. दौड़ने के लिए आपके पास पैर नहीं है. And to bicycle, to ride bicycle, you have no legs to ride bicycle or skateboard. देखें ना आप skateboard लकड़ी का बना हुआ रहता, नीचे व्हील्स रहते उसको छोटे छोटे. So you have no legs to bicycle or skateboard or get you from point A to point B. And you have no legs to go from point A to point B. एक जगह से point A से point B तक जाने के लिए आपके पास पैर नहीं है. So what would happen? क्या होता? Just imagine your life without your legs. Next, then imagine both at once. Now just think you have no hands and no legs at once. फिर एक साथ imagine करो that you have no hands and you have no legs. Just imagine your life without your hands and without your legs. Which is what Nick Vujicic has faced in his whole life. Which is, यही वो तमाम चीज़ें हैं जो निक अपनी लाइफ में, whole life, whole means complete, COMPLETE, complete. Whole means complete life. So these problems Nick Vujicic has faced in his whole life. What was those problems? Who was Nick? So Here you can see Nick. This man name is Nick, who has no hands and no legs. He is mainly a torso. Torso means the body without hands and without leg. So Nick Vujicic is a man with no hands and no legs, and he faced these difficulties, these problems in his whole life. Have you heard something like this before? Have you heard, have you listened, have you seen something like this before? Have you ever seen a man without hands and without legs? Or have you ever listened, क्या कभी आप सुने या देखे a man with no hands and no legs? निक विजुसिक वॉज बॉर्न, पास्ट फॉर्म है वॉज, पैदा हुआ था वो, क्योंकि पास्ट फॉर्म जो एक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया ऑलरेडी उसको हम पास्ट फॉर्म कहेंगे, पास्ट टेंस. निक विजुसिक वॉज बॉर्न विथ no arms and no legs. He was born, how was he born? He was born with no arms, means here no hands and no legs. But लेकिन he doesn't let the details stop him. Detail means what is Nick's detail in this lesson? The detail is he has no hands and no legs, but in spite of that he didn't stop. वो stop नहीं हुआ, वो इन तमाम चीज़ों को अपने कामयाबी के रास्ते में हायल होने नहीं दिया. द ब्रेव मीन्स courageous, बहादुर. द ब्रेव 26-year-old who is mainly a torso, as I earlier said, torso means a body without hands and legs, who is mainly a torso, जो सिर्फ जो है एक torso है. plays फुटबॉल खेलता है. here plays, it is simple present tense. We use simple present tense to show our daily habits or daily routine work. I go to market, I play cricket, मैं खेलता हूँ. I ride bicycle, I go to market, I go to school. Here the V1 form of verb is used. We use simple present tense to show general actions, daily routine work. And in simple present tense we use first form of verb V1, play, go, write. So who is mainly a torso, plays football, golf, swims and surfs. You can imagine, आप सोच सकते हैं, how can a man with no hands and no legs can play football, can golf, can swim and can surf despite having no limbs. Despite यहाँ पर यूज होता है बजाय के. आप डिस्पाइट के बजाय और भी एक वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं, इंस्पाइट ऑफ. इंस्पाइट को ऑफ के साथ यूज करेंगे. इंस्पाइट ऑफ, हाथ पैर नहीं रहने के बजाय. लिम्स मीन्स योर हैंड्स एंड लेग्स इज कॉल्ड लिम्स. इंस्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग नो लिम्स, लिम्स नहीं रहने के बावजूद. और डिस्पाइट हैविंग नो लिम्स, डिस्पाइट ऑफ के बगैर यूज करेंगे, बट इंस्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग नो लिम्स, Nick Vujicic, a torso, can play football, golf, swim and he can surf. You can imagine how difficult it can be to play football for a man with no hands and no legs. Next one. Nick has a small foot on his left hip which helps him balance and enables him to kick. So as you can see in the picture, he has a small foot on his left hip. As you can see, he has a small foot and this small foot helps him, उसकी हेल्प करता है. जैसा मैंने अभी कहा, ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस करता है, जाता है के लिए यूज होता है. which helps him balance, अपना बैलेंस करने के लिए अपने आप को, and enables him to kick and allows him to kick. With the help of this small foot he can kick football. He uses his one foot to type, and with the help of this small foot he can type and write with a pen. So with the help of this small foot he writes using a pen and pick things up, and he picks the things up, और ये चीज़ों को उठाता है between his toes. So in the next class we will continue this lesson, inshallah.
Thanks for watching.